Y'all, Dollar Tree has the cutest summer stuff right now for outdoor fun, keeping kids busy, and even some high-end looking party finds, all for $1.25 each. Let's do a quick in-store haul so you can see exactly what to grab before it's gone. First up, these adorable kites. These are such a fun activity for windy summer evenings, and they have a bunch of cute characters. Then I found this pool noodle chair kit. You add your own noodles and you have a cheap and easy floating lounge chair for the pool. These pinwheels for the garden are so fun and colorful. My toddler loves them. I'm thinking about setting up a little garden for her outside. Of course, I had to grab a few hula hoops, bubble containers, and splash balls, perfect for backyard obstacle courses. They also have water blasters and those long bubble sticks, which are perfect as end-of-year gifts, party favors, or even stuffers for summer birthday baskets. Pool noodles are back in stock, and you already know those are so good for everything from DIY games, crafts, floaty toys, you name it. Okay, next up, summer party mode is activated. I found the cutest melamine watermelon plates, pineapple bowls, and this flip-flop shaped snack tray that I almost screamed over in the aisle. These plastic drink cups look way more expensive than $1.25. They had pineapples, disco balls, even fruit shapes, perfect for pool parties or backyard barbecues with the kids. And the light up string lights, pineapple, watermelon, and more. Just imagine those on a patio or picnic table. They even had a 4-foot inflatable palm tree, which would be perfect as a photo prop or just something cute for the backyard. Of course, you have all your red, white, and blue decor for Memorial Day, July 4th, or summer cookouts, so don't sleep on that section. I always grab a pack of glow sticks, glow bracelets, and even light up headbands before we go to fireworks, concerts in the park, or anything at night. An awesome bonus of this is that it helps me spot my kids in a crowd, which is seriously the best mom hack. They also had tons of sports gear, cones for obstacle courses, play lacrosse sets, footballs, jump ropes. You could literally set up your own summer camp in the backyard. And I always check the learning aisle. I grabbed some flashcards, dry erase boards, workbooks, and of course, crayons, markers, and stickers to keep my kids busy in the mornings or while the baby naps. These are perfect for screen-free summer routines and quiet time activities. Let me know in the comments what your favorite summer find was or what you're grabbing after watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and grab my free summer budget planner below. I've got tons more frugal summer fun coming your way, so I'll see you next time.